Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable creator tools in TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you find this tutorial as helpful, and also you can leave a like. And after that, we want to go now to our TikTok account, and after that, we want to go to our menu. And then we want to click on our profile. Make sure that you are logged in. So I'm just going to log in with my account here. And after that, we want to go to this three bars icon that will take us to our menu or to our account. So here we click on it, and after that we want to go to settings and privacy, and then we will want to go to creator tools. And normally, depends on the type of your account, you will want to click on the TikTok Studio, or you will have here TikTok Creator Tools. So depends on the type of your account. If you have a professional TikTok account or you have an individual TikTok account. And from here, you will be able to find all the elements, like all the tools. And here we want to simply click on our TikTok Studio, and then you will be able to start using the creator tools and by adding all other stuff. But generally, you will have your TikTok creator tools that will be showing always here on the menu, and always you will be able to get to start using your tools from the TikTok creator tools that will be shown on that menu, and then you can start like creating your stuff in it, and you will be able to start managing or start creating stuff in the creator or with the creator tools on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.